Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So are you confused about your Etsy payout amount? Let's break it down easily. So your deposit from Etsy isn't just your sales, fees and adjustments are included. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna talk on how to actually calculate your Etsy deposit amount fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first we're gonna go open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to look for Etsy.com. So for me right now, I'm just gonna go through my desktop. No need to go through the app. I mean, if you only own like a Android or iPhone, you can go through the app. It's totally doable, like same steps. But for me, I can easily go through Etsy.com here, log in this basically new page, access Shop Manager, tap on Finances, look for Payment Account, then to calculate your deposit, look for total sales, minus Etsy fees, minus off-site ads fees, then minus the refunds, plus the ship and collected, which equals your available for deposit. Then check the exact number at the top under available for deposit. As for like a bonus steps, always account for transaction and processing fees. Compare gross revenue versus net profit monthly. You can also download your CSV report for exact calculations. We already talked about CSV. We already talked about all of the informations. You can access them from the Shop Manager itself. Just go through Shop Manager, look for all of your data and basically analytics, then go and download the CSV files. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.